And you guys are able to exit out that exit sign at any point in time, okay? Enjoy your trip.
Neptune 1, g'day Outpost. I'm glad you'll be joining us today. Folks, we're about to set sail for a newly discovered undersea volcano. And with our special underwater cameras on board, you'll be able to come along for the ride. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the voyage. Let's secure ship for sea.
Ship rigged for getting underway.
Activate the aquacam.
Activating aquacam.
Right. All ahead 1/3.
All ahead 1/3.
Stand by to dive.
Diving stations.
Pressure in the boat.
Breastfed readings are normal.
Flood the main ballast tanks.
Flooding main tanks. Venting auxiliaries.
Let's take her down.
Aye aye, Captain.
Dive. Dive. Troop out diving planes, 3 degrees.
Troop out diving planes, 3 degrees down.
Take it out easy. Catch her at 10 fathoms. Speed 06 and 1/2 knots.
06 and 1/2.
Steer 30 degrees.
Right bar, 30 degrees.
All ahead full. Steady as she goes.
All ahead full.
As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye aye, Captain. Lost city dead ahead, sir.
Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries, we'll take it out All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level off 180 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Oh, where are you, son?
Too deep for you and me to see. Come aboard, explorers. Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers. It's time to go.
What if Nemo's running out the Nemo?
Oh, don't worry.
Water eggs, tasty waves. Sure, sure. Where? ESC, dude. It'll be like, whoa, and like, whoa, and whoa. Let's go. Follow me to the ESC.
Nemo! Oh, lost again! Nemo!
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady, take her into the current. All hands standard.
Aye, aye.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Mini Marlin!
This is fun! We're gonna hit the tower and go around that!
Nemo! Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny! I'm a clownfish! Nemo!
Dude, check it out! Wow! It's a big sunken butt! Sweet!
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo? I am looking for my son!
Ooh, I can help him! Oh,
It's Nemo!
Where?
I don't know. That's why I'm trying to find.
By who?
My son Nemo! You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and kind of like you smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Morsels. There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once. No, Bruce. Remember the pledge. Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You wouldn't want one of these balloons. Oh. That's it. Easy. Swim away!
Secure on station. System check.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full. He's hurt? What are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory? Dory!
Wait!
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer?
Closer.
Closer.
not anybody. It's me,
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
Uh-oh. What's that? It looks like...
Oh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloonish. Boing.
It's jellyfish.
You're good. Boing, boing. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants. Boing, boing.
Stop playing games.
Come on, it's fun.
No, Dory. We're invited to a party. Let's go.
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo. Nemo, I found you. I was so worried.
Hey, have you guys noticed the eruption volcano?
We're alive. We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo. Nemo? Nemo? Say something.
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, Pearl! You saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should see me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some fed. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo, check out all the whales! Cindy Plankton, he says that whales only eat krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale! Cindy Plankton's never gonna make this. Awesome.
Does it smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna... Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Goodbye! Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do you mean? Swim, swim, swim. Bye!
Crikey.
Shall I enter any of this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.